I'm the field marketing manager for Henry Schein, here with Schein today, who asked me to tell you a little bit about our new wellness program, Total Health. This is a program designed to be used in the dental office to help make sure that every patient who walks through your door understands the effect that oral health has on their overall health. It starts with having every patient complete the Total Health checklist. The front desk hands this out when the patient comes in, asks them to fill it out, and the questions go through the signs and symptoms of periodontal disease, oral cancer, sleep disorders, heart disease, and diabetes. In that order, grouped so that the dental hygienist can quickly notice if there are any problems and what that issue might mean for that patient. After the patient completes the video,
I'm all set, Mary.
completes the checklist, they turn this into the front desk, and then the front desk hands them the Total Health brochure and asks them to read this before the appointment begins. It's really important that these not sit out waiting for a patient to pick it up and express interest. We really want to make it an active part of the patient's visit. So this information goes through how oral health affects overall health, periodontal disease, how prevalent it is and how dangerous it is to the body systems, oral cancer, how deadly it is, how important it is that patients detect oral cancer in the early stages when it's treatable and curable, the connection between oral cancer and HPV, which can be a difficult conversation for dental offices to start. This brochure does it for them. Sleep disorders and how dentists are uniquely positioned to detect a sleep disorder by asking a few simple questions, and how it can be treated with an oral appliance in the dental office. Heart disease and diabetes and how they're related to periodontal disease. This informs the patient of how important your role is in their health and makes them more educated about why they need to maintain their dental visits on a regular basis. When they come back into the chair for the appointment, the hygienist reviews the checklist with the patient, asks them if they have anything else they need to add about their health, and then notes any areas of concern. Any yeses on the checklist, and the hygienist has a second resource to use that goes more in depth with the patient about clinical information related to the conditions, periodontal disease, oral cancer, sleep disorders, heart disease, and diabetes, and really important screening and treatment options, so that when the dentist comes back into the office and tells the patient you have periodontal disease, we need to treat you with scaling and root planing, they already understand how prevalent periodontal disease is. 78% of the population has it, and they know that scaling and root planing is a commonly accepted treatment form endorsed by the Oral Systemic Health Group, which is a third-party resource. So that's really the program in a nutshell. It's a very reasonable cost, and if you comment on this video, Schein will provide you a special offer. Your first kit, which is $89.99, and your reorder kit, which is normally $75.99, will be 50% off. So you get a great discount. Thanks for listening.
You wanted to practice?